This is the U15 championship. Stand for station for population. U15. Right now, we're on top. Pushed up 1 mile across the line. We are joined the number 23 for Umadagu. Umadagu still number 6 from Chapter Park. Securely by number 20. Up there. See if they're again once again. Trying to find number 12. Ladies and gentlemen, here with us right now. It is early inside the first half. HD is up 1 goes to nil. In the first half. You got it.
Let's go, cards. Good try, good try, good try.
Championship is a big game, you know. It's a big game, tell her.
Okay, we're back to live action, ladies and
Championship game, cards, big game, boy.
So one goal to them in favor of FC. Yeah, amen. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching it right now closely, Umadagu is in total control of this game right now, but they're down 1-0. You can see they have them at half field right now, so we will see what will transpire. But they're down 1-0 in the championship match, 30-30. We will see what will happen. Right now, Umadagu is on the attack. They're loose. Miss kick there. But then number 10 in control. Push that ball deep, looking for them.
Boy, watch your pass there. Boy, watch your pass there. Boy, now foul. Now foul, man, now foul.
Good pass, cards. Good pass.
Wonderful pass there by Cards. Through the middle, number 10. He kept it down to HD. String that pass before one.
Now foul,
play.
no.
But it was
Full back, boy. Full back, minus 9.
Then I just picked up a yellow card.
No, foul was no to me. He's controlling himself. And I play there. Can't get to find my balance. He's controlling himself. World over with. Hollywood, they add more to it. Real hard.
Back to live action, ladies and gentlemen, the U15 Championship Sanctuary Football Association in conjunction with Football Federation of League. The ball is for young Aston trying to find the ball. They still chucked up down there by Nigel. Big trouble number 6 seed Ledland. Ledland looking for right around Nigel.
Good try, Nigel. Good try.
Wonderful try there by number 17 there for HD. Coming up next, the big one, big dance. U17 Daifa coming up versus Wagarelli. Let's see what will happen.
Daifa will roll with you.
So we gotta knock it. We gotta do our job. But right now, it's 1-0 in favor of HD. Down to his chest. He's closely, he's tightly marked. Foul. The tackle from behind.
This has been from early age. Yes, man.
John just picked up a yellow card.
Way up, Ciro.
John can't afford to pick up any more
Way on the
cards.
head, Ciro. Way on the head, Ciro.
John cannot afford to pick up another card. He's a go-to, he's a depend-upon guy for Umadagu. He's the one that's scoring all his goals for Umadagu, so he can afford to pick up another card. Yellow sent off. A lot more time, playing more time inside this first half. Playing more time inside the game. Austin in control. Insect looking for number 20. Sent off, Scott missed. Strike one. Leroy blocked there by number 11 for swing and a miss.
Finish off there. Tell man finish their play, brother.
Finish that play again, number 10. All right.
Man got his one personal fan out there, ladies and gentlemen. Cat have his one personal fan. With an 8 t-shirt. There you go. There's go the Lord with the 8
More
t-shirt.
germs. HD to the world.
Captain Bat.
Goalkeeper hit his chest. Trying to go around one. Trying to go around two, but blocked there by 12 ones again.
True.
Mentas looking for number 6, Ciro. Ciro trying to land that shot, blocked there by Nigel. Nicasio. Head out there by defender for Umadagu. Push in front by Ciro. Big kick looking for John, but right there, number 4. Goalkeeper right there to collect that ball. Goalie.
You're right here.
Blocked there by number 6. Looking right, trying to find around 130. The ball off the field as Barnsley. Chuck that ball down. This is football. This is the finals, ladies and gentlemen. This is the finals. You win, you stay. You lose, you go home. It looks like a wonderful day to go fishing today. I can't talk big, ladies and gentlemen. I can't talk big today. This is my last day as well. Lose like I catch rod, I catch hammerback. If I lose today, I will catch hammerback. I don't want to catch hammerback. I want to catch the blue coral. I want to catch the blue.
Woo! Why?
Yeah, we're trying to do too much. The number 3 intercept that ball, lose control. Get around 1, 2, 3, 4. But look at it. No, John. They go to break away. No, can they catch him? Right around each. And a foul. Oh! Foul, that was a smart foul there by the number 30 for HD. They know how dangerous our John is every game. John is good for one. That is the most dangerous 15 player out there, I believe. Number 16 for Umadagu. And I bet he will get one or two goals today. Let's see. That's my prediction, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a 3-2 ball game. Right now, it's one goal. Yeah, that is it. Yes, we're out here. This is Atri from the South Coast Podcast on the line right now. He's checking in. We're live, Atri. We're live.
HD up one, Umadagu 0. That's predicted. Prediction in the hot right now, hot. Yes, man. Let's see, man. The 15.
Let's go, cards. Let's go, my brother. Let's go, ball. Otherwise, you chili the original.
Let's go, cards. Breathe out and breathe in.
Umadagu have total control of the ball game. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, Umadagu has this team pinned down, but they're trying hard.
Good pass.
It's only in the first half. It's only in the first half.
Because I'm a good guy, superstar, the fancy ballers.
There'll be a corner kick there for Umadagu. This is how football is, ladies and gentlemen. Sometimes we dominate the game and the scoreboard, the scoreline is different. This is football. That's football hurt, you know. Football is a painful sport. That's why we love it. We love pain sometimes. Right now, it's 1-0 in favor of Hummingbird Distributors. Big kick to Banti. Banti in the control, Martin. Trying to push that ball to Austin Flores. Push, trying to find Banti once again, slip. But smart play, push that ball, trying to find Austin. Austin is coming slow but sure. Beat one stop there by number 10. Number 10 working hard, pushing away. Strength is the name of the game. If you're strong, you stay. If you're weak, you fly off the field. And that's what happened to number 10 just now. He flew off the field.
Good, guys. Good. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out.
They're looking for number 4.
Easy break just now. Watch out. He has scored. Watch out. He has scored.
Wonderful try by
Come
goalkeeper.
on, good try.
Back go.
Karim. Kareem in control. Kareem.
Let's go, ref. Give me that call, ref. What's going on there, ref? Sure.
Still, number 4. Number 4. Still in control at number 4. Nice, he have his flag off. It's an offside there. Number 4 for Umadagu was in offside position. So it's an offside.
Let's go, cards. No stop.
Another wonderful push. Channel 5. Kieran.
Yeah, man.
I'll tell you life, it is 2, but find Kareem. Number 25.
Get back in the middle, cards. Get back in the middle.
Goes wide, looking to find number 24. Trap down there. Controlling.
Goal! Goal, boy! Goal! Boy!
Wonderful stop by goalkeeper.
Boy!
Wonderful stop.
Bombo clan!
Ready to come up, ladies and gentlemen. I can't believe my eyes.
Baby.
Bombo
I
rascal!
was already screaming goal. I was already
Boy!
screaming goal, but it was wonderful stop by goalkeeper. I don't see what that was a magical play. It was a magical play. I was blinded. I was
Yes, I'm not going to
blindsided.
play because like the ball beat the goalkeeper to me, but I play no spell. Fuck! The keeper saved the ball. I think the ball no pass, keeper right?
I have to send my boy for the tripod, region. So we're going for the tripod for the next game.
You are the coach, right?
Yeah, and then Jen's supposed to be there for 2 o'clock. I tell him here and pack it up.
Let's make I go. I go use that by the phone. I got the phone, use that to me. I got the phone. And then I pack it announce. You want to talk. And I'll be game that day, I send you the big game. So I tell one time, so you know. What I say, you the place will go early. Like what I pick up there.
Goal!
That's over, ladies and gentlemen. As you see him, wonderful goal by
EHD, boy! EHD! Bring home that trophy, EHD. Bring home that trophy, EHD. A trophy not for we today.
Go, go up, pa. Go up, pa. What 2 months step up and then 1 man back and 1 man stay open. But there's 2 months. There's 1 man. Let's do it all in 1 month. Fun by
More than some. Very, man. It's stretched up.
Why? Fuck off. Why, man? I'm good compared to the fat little ass and trouble. Sick. He's sick of spray about there, I don't know he's sick of what is it about school strike back when the young boys are mad like over beat you one man back there. I said, no, original.
That's it. That's the half, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Hola, Cats.
Paquete.